students, welcome to VZ. VZ है Easy presents NCERT Solution for class 12th, and today we'll be discussing chapter number 5. Chapter 5 is Principle of Inheritance and Variation. So in this session we are going to discuss two things. One, how you're supposed to write an answer, and two, the explanation of a specific answer. Now, let's start with question number 1. So question 1 here says, mention the advantages of selecting pea plant for experiment by Mendel. So Mendel used pea plant. Why did he use pea plant? So the answer goes like, Mendel selected pea plant for his experiments for the following reason. Reason number 1, that is, a large number of two breeding varieties with observable alternative forms of a trait were available. So it was in you could find pea plant in large number of varieties. Reason 2, pea plants are normally self-pollinated. Okay, however, pea flowers can be readily cross-pollinated, that is hybridized, if self-pollination is prevented. Okay, self-pollination is prevented. Now, this is achievable by removing the anthers, emasculation before the pollen grains mature, and dusting the stigma of these flowers, that is female parent, with the pollen from the desired plant, that is male plant. So what they used to do, they used to emasculate the pea flowers. Now when you emasculate it, you just remove the anther which contains the pollen. Then with a brush, take the pollen and sprinkle it over the female pea flowers. So that is what is cross-pollination. Now, pea is an annual plant which gives result within an year. So every year, at the end of 1 year, pea plant used to give a large number of fruits, or the pea is itself. Fourth, a large number of seeds are produced by pea plant, and which helps in drawing correct conclusion. So a large number of seeds were produced. And lastly, pea plants are easy to cultivate and do not require extra care except at the time of pollination. So it is easy to cultivate and it does not require more or fancy treatments. It just needs care when it is being pollinated. Okay, students, so these are the 5 points. Point number 1, true breeding and has a large number of varieties. Second, they used to cross-pollinate, but you converted into, self-pollinate and converted into cross-pollination. Third, it's an annual plant which gives results within a year, so less time frame. Fourth, large number of seeds are produced, which helps in drawing conclusion. And lastly, it needs less care, exception of pollination. Okay, students, so here we are done with question number 1.